You can taste the dishonesty, it's all over your breath as you pass it off so cavalier. But even that's a test, constantly aware of it all.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is Emma D'Or. This golden milk recipe's purpose is to target pain during menstrual cycle, to help if you have a hormonal imbalance, endometriosis, leukorrhea, or fibroids. All ingredients can be found in the description box as well as the benefits of each ingredient used. I start with a cup of oat milk, some yellow maca powder. I'm using a strainer to avoid lumps and stuff. If you have a better way of preventing this, please do share. Some ashwagandha powder, a bit of cinnamon. I like to add a lot, I just love cinnamon. That amazing turmeric, which has so many amazing benefits. This spice should be everyone's best friend. I like to add Tumeric Root as well. It's a bit stronger and just because I had some. Some ginger root for extra spice. I added more turmeric powder. I just like my drink to be a bit extra yellow. I also added a pinch of black pepper off camera. This is the ingredient that will help your body absorb the turmeric. So you're not putting it to add a taste. It's more so that your body can absorb the benefits. Let that simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then go ahead and pour it out. Try to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down. Try to walk away, but I'm coming back now. I knew I needed you, but I didn't know how. Why I try so much. This next step is optional. I like to have a foam on top of my drink. This is just for aesthetics and to enjoy the golden milk experience. The last ingredient is pure maple syrup to add some natural sweetness. Enjoy this amazing beneficial drink, extremely yummy and all of the benefits again can be found in the description box. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next one.
Pray you catch me, praying. I'm praying you catch me.